This video contains only makes for how to increase personal development of different series for everyone who want to be part of Discover GM. So please don't claim terms and conditions apply. GM Daksa Nepal YouTube channel in association with GM Daksa and Classic Story, ASGM Creations, GM Brothers Production, GM Developer presents Discover GM Division 1 Episode 9 English version. Advantages, disadvantages and conclusion. Voice presented by GM Developer Esura GM. Advantages and disadvantages. There are a lot of benefits of visualization, and on this chapter you will discover some of those benefits and why it's important to visualize. I am sure once you begin visualizing you will discover your own benefits, but for now I will discuss the advantages and disadvantages. I have found the good and bad. Visualization is a form of relaxation. The simple act of calming your mind and visualizing something cuts down the amount of tension you are constantly bombarded with on a day-to-day basis. So if you don't visualize for any other reason, I advocate you do it for this one. Visualizing something that you wish to have or wish to experience may bring great joyfulness into your life. We may not be in the position right now to do or have what we wish, but we may visualize it. This is the next best thing to really having it or doing it. Our minds don't understand the difference in visualization and really having or doing a thing, so it will react in the same way it would if you were really experiencing that which you are visualizing. With visualization there are no restrictions. You can be and accomplish anything. You can live in the home of your dreams, drive the automobile you want, be married to the love of your life, and travel to different places. Not at all us get this luxury right now. However, when we visualize, we have the might to visualize whatever we want without limits. If you quick your mind to visualize, you are actually bettering your power to focus. You no longer are bonded by the restriction of your day. The more you visualize and the better your total focus gets. You are able to gain inspiration and you will be able to become inspired to take action towards your dreams by taking the time to visualize them. We are more likely to believe in and to move forward towards our dreams if we can actually see them as possible, and visualization may do that for us. Disadvantages of visualization are hard to find. The most common is the time it takes out of the day to do so. However, taking this time can be greatly beneficial. Conclusion. If you don't love the reality you have been producing, you are able to alter it. However, to do that, you first need to accept your role in the creative process. You have to take responsibility for the reality you manifest. When you do that, you will empower yourself to produce the life you truly want. Don't get to be a victim of negative target fixation. Don't allow outside influences to poison your mind with negative propaganda. Center your creativity on where you wish to be and fully accept your role in what you manifest. Then get ready to be amazed as the doors of possibility swing open and your life takes on a totally new dimension. Special thanks Classic Story, Discover Nepal, Direction Qatar Nationalism, Manfil Scaffolding Team, Google.com Visualization. Edit, research and concept direction by GM Developer A. Suraj GM. If you learn from this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel.